by way of the Republic of Kalmykia. Give it up for Bаир Штепин!
Yalla bulgen yosana sanay Kiregen ogaga solaga Kiregen ogaga solochiga.
Talked about prospects in all of mixed martial arts. A 75% finish record. 4 wins by KO, 2 wins by submission. All his losses are by decision. He has never been finished. He is so tough. He is so durable. And he is a fighter a lot of people around the world have been talking about. Almost like a little bit of a boogeyman. He's talked about in kind of hushed tones, almost sort of mythological.
Phil, that was what I wanted to try and communicate to Brave Nation. We often break down a fighter according to their skill set. Do they have better wrestling? Are they going to rely on their Muay Thai? This man is a beast.
Incredibly exciting, a fast, explosive, entertaining striker with a real diversity of attacks. He can throw head kicks, flying knees, spinning attacks, has knockout power in both hands. And as I've said, he is a fighter that everyone is very excited to see perform. His range, and at the moment, everything that Gerson seems to be throwing just lands a little bit short of the mark.
Oh, devastating shot!
Oh, saved by the bell. Was that on the cup? I think it may have just been above the cup level.
Phil, I'm hoping they bring us a replay of that so we can watch it. That
Fight's
fight
over.
is over.
Decky Larkin has called an end to the action. Again, I'd like to see a replay.
Ladies and gentlemen of Brave Nation, Decky Larkin asked Gerson Boy Pereira if he could get up and go to his corner. The answer was no. Decky made the determination that this fight was over. If you can't make it up off the floor, in order to get to your corner, you cannot safely fight. This organization is all about fighter health and safety, and it was protected here.
Nice.
Gerson Boy Pereira looks sad, but he does not look injured at this point.
Now, initially, I would like to see the replay of that because my first thoughts were that it was a legal kick. I think it landed just on the midriff and was a fight-ending TKO, but
Phil, I did not get a clear view of it, but my partial view showed me that that was, in fact, a legal technique.
So again, I would like to request a replay of that if possible, guys. But let's talk about, now that we don't know yet about the finish, but here's the replay leading up to it.
First knockdown. Phil, this is when we thought this might be the beginning of the end, and there it was!
That's beautiful.
Hammer shot!
That is a beautiful spinning back kick. It landed right on the money. Again, my initial thoughts were confirmed there. He landed it because he had tried to throw it a couple of times. With each attempt, he got that little bit closer. Landed it with ruthless proficiency. Spinning back kick to the liver, KO. Congratulations, Bаир Штепин.
Absolutely fantastic technique and strategy from the man who won tonight, Bаир Штепин from the Republic of Kalmykia.
All right, Brave Nation, what another exciting and explosive battle inside the cage. This one comes to an end when referee Decky Larkin calls for the stoppage at the end of the first round. Your winner, Bаир Штепин.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the official finish coming at just the last second of the very first round. Bаир Штепин with the spinning back kick TKO. Beautiful work from the man from the Republic of Kalmykia.
We've got a Green Hill replay now. Walking through the action. What you need to understand about Штепин is that he is a strategist. He was not simply out there throwing shots at random. He was going to the head and then the body. He was coming from the outside in a loop and then driving right in. This was the beginning of the end. This was a shot. I believe it was to the outside eye orbital. It is a legal and effective technique in mixed martial arts. It dropped Boy down to the ground and caused him considerable discomfort. The fight, of course, ended with an absolutely unbelievable spinning back kick to the liver. That is as perfect a mixed martial arts technique as ever you will see in the Brave Combat Federation cage. And there is the proud representative of the Republic of Kalmykia having his hand raised by Decky Larkin.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with a victorious Bаир Штепин who just got his first win inside the Brave Arena with a beautiful spinning back kick. Bаир, how do you feel getting your first win in Brave Combat Federation?
I feel good. I'm happy.
Now, did the fight happen the way that you wanted it to? Did it unfold as you expected?
I don't speak English. Yes.
Not a problem. Is there?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
He's-
Go fight anyone.
He's ready to fight anyone, anytime, any place.
Give me my bonus, Brave. Give me my belt.
That's all we needed to hear. Bаир Штепин,
Бахрейн. Shukran Бахрейн.
congratulations on a fantastic fight, sir. Well done.
I speak Russian, okay?
Go ahead.
Хочу поблагодарить всех, кто болел за меня, поддерживал. Хочу поблагодарить всех, кто помогал мне в подготовке. Хочу поблагодарить своего тренера по боксу Адьяна Шургучиева, также тренера по ОФП и борьбе Батра Лиджиева, также тренера по смешанным единоборствам Бэм. Спасибо тебе. С разворота зашла. Блин, шикарно, как и загадывались, с разворота зашла. Также хочу поблагодарить своих спонсоров. Blackberry, Бумба, Групп, кинотеатр Октябрь, Шаурма Классик, Аэрат Арена и Тамерлан Кафе. Спасибо вам за спонсорство, за помощь в поездке. Халимгут Оралан!
I couldn't have said it better myself. Ladies and gentlemen, Bаир Штепин.